Nothing but bad cakes, guys. Open already. Hi, see the cake? Beautiful. Small ones, pencil. Like that. Okay. That's so beautiful. Beautiful, but that's the price. There's 10 inches pala yan kayo. May 8 inches, may lemon. Dozen birds to. Ito ang ganda nito, Bio. Ito ba yung in-order mo? Ay, ang ganda. Hindi yan nagme-melt. Mas marami ito.
Yeah.
Wow. So we ordered 2 boxes.
2 boxes and there is
See?
one
So
more.
beautiful. Yeah, so there's also here design in here, Party Paradise. A lot of you guys. Too much. It's located from Rosenberg. Okay, it's a lot. It's beautiful. See, the balloons. There's snowman, and see. The good one. There's a lot same. 3 flavors, flowers. See? Best that. So, ito na siya that are ordered.
May magde-deliver ng cookies naman.
So $80. How many pieces this one? 20, right? Yeah. 24 each bag. So we have 48. So this is the paper bag, free paper bag. It's ready to party. Here we go. Let's unbox these cupcakes. Wow. Open sesame.
Ay, ganda.
Wow. So beautiful. Tama na kasi baka masira.